Would you like to examine the facts of life as a 5%er? Me too! Hello again, everyone. I'm Eli's dad with Project Eli, where we educate, we lead, we inspire. And today's our last session concerning the facts of life. We've had two sessions. One, we talked about, rearranging the letters of the word life a little bit so that you get the word file. And just to give you a quick review, if you click on the icon in the upper left-hand corner of your computer and see the word file, they break it down for you. Isn't this a lot like life? Home, new, open, info, save a copy, print it, share with someone, export it to others, transform, and close. And is that the end? Heck no. You've got to continually look at your account, take the feedback, and examine your options. That was our first video. Our second video was taking the same four letters, life, and noticing that the word lie is in there. And we don't want to just lie still like most people do once they reach their final level of education. And on the other hand, we don't want to lie to ourselves and say we can't do this because of the outside circumstances. We also pointed out that in the word life is the word Eli as well, which is the major part of my life. Also in the word life is the key word. Now here we're going to talk about the 5% crowd. And the key word in the word life is the word if. What if? And I thought it would be best to go to someone who is more articulate than I, who, put it in poetry, Rudyard Kipling. Here is Eli, here is my hope for you. What if? By Rudyard Kipling. If you can dream and not make dreams your master, if you can think and not make thoughts your aim, if you can meet with triumph and disaster and treat those two imposters just the same, if you can bear to hear the truth you've spoken, twisted by knaves to make a trap for fools, or watch the things you gave your life to broken, and stoop and build them up with worn out tools. If you can make one heap of all your winnings and risk it on one turn of pitch and toss and lose and start again at your beginnings and never breathe a word about your loss. If you can force your heart and nerve and sinew to serve your turn long after they're gone, and so hold on when there is nothing in you except the will which says to them, hold on. If you can talk with crowds and keep your virtue, or walk with kings nor lose the common touch, if neither foes nor loving friends can hurt you, if all men count with you, but not too much, if you can fill the unforgiving minute with 60 seconds worth of distance run, yours is the earth and everything that's in it, and, which is more, you'll be a man, my son. Rudyard Kipling. Eli, that's a very old poem. I don't know if you studied it in school, but I strongly urge you to take a look at it. It makes a lot of key points that we talk about on this channel. And I'm very excited now. You're entering a new stage in your life, going from just a student to now you're getting into the real world. I wanted to share with you these special facts of life. Always remember, observe the facts of life that the 5%ers observe. Be the 1 out of 20. Don't be the 19. Does that make sense? Because if you want to achieve and live a life worth living, you don't want to just exist, which is what most people do. It's like they go on their computer and they're looking for this game or this social media channel or that social media channel, looking for distractions. Have a focus. If you can only do that, I've done my job with you as a parent. What if? And always remember, hey, don't ration the passion, fashion the passion. I'm Eli's dad.